Chibugom, had it been you told me, I would have given you the money. And this wouldn't have happened. Eh?
Really?
Yes. Listen. You are the love of my life. Nothing is too much for you. Having said that, I will still give you the money. Okay?
Don't bother yourself. The herbalist has given him the money already. Don't bother yourself. Huh?
But you should... Oh. Echezana. You're welcome.
Why did you bring her back here now? Eh? I told you that the herbalist said she needs to stay with you for 3 days.
Echezana, calm down and listen. You are being overprotective in a wrong way. Look at what happened. I went to the herbalist's place, only for me to find out that he was trying to rape her.
What? No. I don't believe you.
I'm serious.
Wait. Okay. That's the reason.
No, Echezana, relax. Echezana, calm down. I'm taking care of that man. This is not necessary.
Echezana.
This is not necessary. Stop. Echezana.
He still has a lot of things to explain to me.
I'm taking care of him. It's not necessary.
Echezana.
Hey, Mama. Hey, Ignatius is a good man, though. Hey, and he's going to make a very good father-in-law to me. Hey, see plenty money.
So he gave you all this?
Yes.
He gave you 11,000 naira?
Bam.
Hey! That's very kind of him.
Yes, so Mama. And that's not all. He also said he liked the food I prepared for him. He said he has not had that kind of meat for a very long time, Mama.
Why won't he like it? Eh? Has he eaten good meal?
Hi.
Eh? A man without cookbook. Let me tell you, I trained you well.
Yes, sir.
I know what you can do. But you know what we're going to do now? We have to strategize.
Yes,
this money, you will use it and go to the market.
Yes.
First of all, you buy some new clothes for yourself. Then you buy some shoes or slippers. Buy cream so that when you rub it on your body, you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, Mama.
Good. Because this your husband that lives abroad has seen a lot of fine women. He has seen the white ones in the Ocha. He has seen black and white, the people they call half caste. He has seen black, that their skin and idea. We need him to come back here and notice that our girls are the most beautiful.
But Mama,
and you're the only one that can do it.
Hey, Mama, you're correct. Mama, this is a very good idea. Now I understand you more, Mama. You're very correct. Mama, this money will go a long way for us.
You will give me this money to keep for you. Tomorrow, you and I will go to the market.
Okay, Mama. Hi. Mama, I can't wait. My latest bride in town.
Hey, Otago, with shiny skin.
Duck.
If we go to a Kirika section, the clothes we will buy there, leftovers from America. Enak is their shoe with high heel.
Aye.
He changes steps.
Mama,
we go to go to hair. Even if it's second hand, we brush it very well.
But this one
put oil on it.
Hey! I can't wait.
Then when doctor comes back, he will see his wife waiting. Not just any wife, beautiful wife.
Aye!
Please, yes.
Don't tell me to calm down. Keep quiet. Because you're very wicked, man. You're very wicked. Oh, that money you gave to me. I thought you were trying to help me. I thought you were trying to help me. I never knew you were trying to rape my sister behind me.
I was not trying to rape her. I was just admiring her.
You admire her?
She's such a beautiful girl and I would like to marry her. For that money, keep it as part of her bride price, please.
You like to marry who?
Sister.
You like to marry who?
Please.
I need to give me name also.
She's so beautiful.
Shut up! You want to marry my sister? Let me tell you. Now listen. Any day I see you near my sister again, I will kill you. It won't get. As for the money, as for your money, I will pay you as we agreed.
Ebule.
Echezona, where are you? Echezona!
Who is that?
Who is that? Echezona, it's me. Come and see me.
What do you want? What do I want? I want my money. Here and now.
Your money?
Yes.
But I was supposed to pay you back a month after my exams. That was the agreement.
I can't wait any longer. Go inside and bring my money. Now.
It's only 2 days since you gave us the money and you're already asking for it. Please, give us some time now, please.
Hey, shut up! This is not women's talk. Echezona, you have only 2 days to refund my money. Or I said that line.
No. You won't do such thing. You won't do such thing. We agreed now. It was supposed to be a month after my exams. I will come and give you back your money now. Why are you doing this now?
Don't say I did not want you. I need my money now. Or I said that line.
Echezona, what land is he talking about? Echezona, answer me! What land is he talking about? Echezona! Echezona! What land is he talking about? Echezona!
Mama, oh, Mama, do fast. I know we have a lot to buy today.
Wait, though. I can't find the money.
Mama, how do you mean you can't find the money? You know you usually put your money in the box. Have you checked it?
No, I put it here. Someone must have taken it. Eh?
Mama, you sure? Check very well.
I know what
I
know what I am talking about. Because the person took your money, took my 10 naira, 5 naira, 50 naira in my bag. All of them have disappeared.
Mama, you sure?
You don't trust me? Well, let's go inside and check now. Let's go inside and look again.
Oh, Mama.
Hey. Echezona, you mean you used the only land our father gave to us as a collateral to borrow money?
Sister, I had to, sister. The JAMB registration ends in a few days' time and I can't afford to miss it. Not after preparing and reading so hard for the exams. Eh? Besides, the man gave me enough time to pay back. Oh, I didn't know it was going to turn out to be like this.
Echezona, I have told you to stop taking decisions without telling me. If you had told me, we would have looked for a better option. Now look at what we're into. The only land our father gave to us is at stake. And the exam is in 2 days' time. 2 days! Hey!
Sister, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Yeah? If not for my carelessness. Yeah? If I didn't lose the money we saved for the exam, I wouldn't have gone to this extent.
I wouldn't have gone this far to go and collect this money. I'll say now.
It's okay.
You know, see what I'm putting us into.
It's okay, it's okay.
Echezona, you know the last thing I can bear now is to hear you cry. Eh? It hurts me. Don't worry. We'll look for a way out, oh?
I'm sorry. Sister, please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Ozugo.
God.
Ozugo. Don't worry, we'll look for a way out,
Chai, if only sinega be ganeluwa.
Mama, I told you I didn't misplace the money. Somebody took it. No,
but Mama, this is the first time a thing like this is happening in this family. So who took my money, Mama? I got him to bring back my money.
I am equally confused. I'm confused.
Mama, after all this preparation I've been doing since, Mama, how am I going to look good now? The little money that Mazik need to dash me, they took it.
Hi, stop crying. Don't worry. As long as we're in this house, let them come back. Whoever took this money must bring it out. Else this house will not
be Mama, Mama, tell them to bring back my money. Tell them to bring back my money, Mama. Call them.
I will talk to them now. I will talk to them. Does it mean that we now have a thief in this house? Hey!
Mama, call them to bring back my money. Tell them to bring back my money.
And now Fukan for trouble. Now this same handbag, they have been saving money since in Jiwakwa. Mba. Can you chop? Ma, what does he see now? Anyway,
I'm sorry.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my love. Sorry I came late. I had to rush to the market to buy you these gifts.
Thank you. I forgot that today is my birthday.
Why are you sober? It's supposed to be a happy day. Echezona, what's happening? What's wrong? My love, please talk to me. Why are you sober?
It's the herbalist.
The herbalist again? What about him? What did he do this time around? What about the herbalist? Huh?
Chai! So it was Olisa. I mean, why couldn't he take permission before taking the money? Well, this is like unlike him. It's unlike Olisa.
Mama, he did not even take the money. The worst is that he used the money to buy clothes for that his blind girlfriend, Chibugo.
What?
Yes, as a birthday gift.
This is serious. This is serious. But Echezona, you should have told me. Yes, you should have told me. And I saw you crying on the road that day, but you refused to talk to me. Stop seeing me as only your sister's lover. You need to start seeing me as your family member, your blood, your brother, your friend. You should have told me. No problem. I will do something about it. Yes.
Really? You mean you help us?
Yes, I will.
Hey. Thank you. God will bless you.
What a relief.
You don't need to thank me. Like I said before, we are one. Okay? But that's by the way, my love.
Yes.
Today is your birthday and it's a special day. So nothing will distract or take away your joy. I want you to go inside and change. I'm taking you out. Let me spoil you.
Hey.
Yes.
I hope I'm coming along.
If you wish, we are one.
Okay. Sister, let me go and change her inside. Eh? Sister, let me go and change you so that we'll go.
Okay.
Let me change her. Alright. Back up. Stand up, stand up. We are coming home. I'm here. Step up, step up, step up. Step up, step up, step up. Sorry. Step up, step up. Step up again.
Lisa, how dare you steal money from my bank? And you used it to buy nonsense for that wretched witch that you call a girlfriend.
Mama. First and foremost, I did not steal your money. Secondly, that woman is the love of my life. In fact, my future wife. So I will not tolerate you addressing her as a wretched blind witch. Stop.
Who's your wife? Can't tell her. Mbano, it cannot happen. That girl will not step her foot into this family. For what? A blind girl?
Mama.
Mbano what?
Mama.
Over my dead body. Mama, over my dead body.
Life is all about choice.
It's
my choice and that's fine.
Hey.
As for your money, I did not see your money. Excuse me.
Look, you have until this night to bring that money. In a choice. Now my choice now your choice. In a choice, Sally. One police. You hear me? You do my table on your ganyan. Only I see. Tata not to jail 1 year double ya. More begin with Kulia. Hi, Mbano. If I have a choice, I'm my top thing in leather.
To marry my sister. Let me tell you. Now listen. Any day I see you near my sister again, I will kill you.
stupid wretched girl. That wretched witch. Chibugo! Chibugo! Witch! Now.
Who is shouting my name like that? Is everything okay?
How can everything be okay? When you've decided to invade my house?
I'm here, my friend.
Eh? So it's my son that you now want to date? If you're not there, man, let me tell you, it will never happen. You can never have my son. Nonsense.
Hey, Mama, is that you? What have I done?
Mama? What have you done or what have you not done? You've done everything that needs to be done. What have you not done? Eh? The money that my son is supposed to be feeding us with.
Mama, what are you talking about? Which money?
Shut up your mouth, your small useless mouth, witch. Oh, so you don't know how you've been manipulating my brother. Okay, you don't know. I even heard the bottle dress. You this witch. Let me tell you one thing. You see today, every money my brother has been giving to you, all of them, you are going to vomit them today, here and now. I am ready for you.
See money. You're using it to clothe yourself.
Oh, look at her.
He's using it to buy clothes for... Wait, you don't know which money. See psychedelic dress that she's wearing now. Who bought this thing for you? Hey! It's even open in the middle.
Hey!
See something showing that she's using to deceive my son. Mama, watch inside that house. Any fine cloth you see, bring it out.
Mama!
Eh?
Mama, what do you want to do? Mama, what do you want to do?
Mama,
what do
you will see. Also, in our step, you will see what you want to do.
Mama!
Hurry up!
Mama, what do you want to do?
The fine ones.
I'm looking for them.
Yeah, but I cannot walk.
Mama, what do you want to do? Mama, what do you want to do?
What do I want to do?
Mama, what do you want to do?
Mama, come in on my wife.
Mama, what do you want to do? Mama, what do you want to do? Mama, please, don't burn my clothes. Don't burn my clothes. Mama, please don't burn my clothes. Mama, please, I'm begging you. Mama, please don't burn my clothes.
I go. Next time you see my people, you don't come again. I go.
Mama, please don't burn my clothes. Don't burn my clothes. I'm begging you, please don't burn my clothes.
Next time you hear me, sir, you gotta run. You gotta run.
Mama, please don't burn my clothes. Don't burn my clothes.
You can see clothes.
Please don't burn my clothes.
Kneel down. I said kneel down. You see that? Kneel down. Kneel down.
Don't burn my clothes. Please, I'm begging you.
Let me see it.
Please don't burn my clothes. I'm begging you.
Put on that.
Please don't burn my clothes. Please don't burn my clothes. Please don't burn my clothes.
Fireball.
You think I can get
Please don't burn my clothes. Mama, please don't burn my clothes.
This is huge fire.
Don't burn my clothes.
Shut up.
Don't burn my
If you
clothes.
don't make nonsense, how can you can't get one funny this year?
Mama, please.
Chai.
Please.
Look at this.
Okosini kuku jafrerio. Hey, what can I do for you?
I have come to give you back your money.
Okay.
So stay off my land.
What there, man?
Listen, I heard all you did in the past. You took advantage of the fact that they are orphans and molested them, threatened them,
Even if I've handled them, it's all good. Some days are like that. Now that you have your money, if I see you anywhere close to that piece of it, you will not see me. You will have me to contend with. Do you understand?
I do.
Ada go chintina Yesu.
Ada
go chintina Yesu.
I know. Let's go.
Yeah, man.
Hey.
Way back.
Why are you crying? Huh?
Hey, Nem, why are you crying? Eh? What happened? Eh? My love, what happened? Huh?
Your mother and your sister came here and bought my clothes.
What?
And it's me. My whole body is hurting me. She was laying abuses on me.
Please, let's go back. Nem, come on, Yoma. Oh, sit. No, sit down. Sit down here. Relax. Just relax. Wait, What is that? Relax, I'm coming.
Hey, no.
My mother needs to explain to me why.
I prefer yam now.
You cook the yam separate.
Yeah, fine. Cook it separate.
Mama, what was that for?
Give me.
What was that for?
What now?
What is the meaning of what you did? How could you?
Oh, the fact that I burnt the witch's clothes, is that what you're talking about? Ah! Before Uncle, she deserves it now.
Yes.
The clothes I personally bought for my girl. Mama, you burnt it.
Chelwa, you bought clothes for that girl. Yet you've never given me 1 naira in this house. But you're buying clothes for a blind girl.
Mama.
Anyway, let me tell you something. It's about time you realize I'm the mother in this house. You have to learn to respect me. Not one another afuso. Yes!
Mama, you won't go scot-free on this one. Mama, I swear you will not go scot-free on this one.
I have fun.
I'm coming.
People don't mind him. Is it because that blind guy is like this?
A whole first son.
And what's this one doing here?
Of all people is to go and date a blind girl. A girl that can't even see his face.
Yes.
To know how handsome one work at it.
Can you imagine?
You want to dirty my clothes?
But what are you doing?
Olisa.
Mama, what is he doing?
My clean clothes.
No problem, I'm coming.
Olisa.
You have the guts to burn my girl's clothes.
Back the clothes back. Then what time help him and put them back.
You have the guts.
What are you doing, Olisa? Mama,
Olisa.
you see what he's doing? So you want to burn Mama's clothes? She doesn't know Mama's clothes.
Olisa.
You have the guts to burn my
Olisa. What are you doing?
Those blind people.
Kerosene. Give me my clothes. Only boy.
Mama, so give me my clothes now.
Only boy.
Don't try this. Only
boy.
Expensive clothes.
Only boy. Only me kwanifa.
What are my clothes?
Yes.
Only. Chineke.
Mama, my clothes.
Take time. Mama, take
My
time.
expensive clothes.
Only men
time,
Only.
take
Only. Hey.
That blind girl, Mama.
Hey.
That blind girl. Mama. I will just see.
Better.
Brother, see. By the time I'm done with that girl, why you come and go to your house? Go to your house, go to your house, please. Go to your house, go to your house. Go to your house.
Are you back? Who is that?
It's me, the herbalist.
What do you want? I thought they have paid you. What else are you looking for? What do you want here?
That is not the reason why I'm here. You see, I want to have a word with you.
What is it?
See, I'm sorry the way I pressurized you and your brother. I'm not trying to be wicked, you see. Just that after being nice to your brother, he couldn't give me the permission for the request I made to him.
What request is that?
You see, I wanted his permission to marry you, but he refused. I don't know the reason why he refused. You see, I will be a very nice husband to you, and I want you to love me. I love you so much. You are so pretty.
Leave me alone! First, you were not nice to us. You were not nice to us. Second, it's not a decision to make. It is my decision. And then, I don't want you. Leave here! Leave here immediately!
Very pretty. See, I will love you. I will marry you.
Leave here! Ah! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
I will marry you.
Leave me alone! I don't want you! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
I will be very nice.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! I don't want to marry you! Leave me alone!
You marry me.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
Accusations, you are here. Yes, I'm here. What is going on here?
I just want to come and see her. I want to, just for me to know how she's feeling.
Okay. How she's feeling? Yes, yes. Her waist.
For me to know how she's feeling.
Okay. Wait, no, it's not like that. Okay. It's not like that. It's like how? You want to see how she's feeling her waist.
Okay, good.
Chick, I hope he didn't enjoy you. Did he touch you?
He tried to touch me. Wicked man.
Sorry. Sorry.
So mama, Olisa had the guts to burn your clothes because of that blind girl. Because of that blind girl. This is unbelievable.
The witch has bewitched my son. My first seed. The boy that I carried in my womb for 10 good months before I delivered him. He has turned against me. Except there's no God of vengeance. You will avenge this one for me. Hey!
Oh, it's okay. Mama, stop crying. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. You know your son. You know Ibekwe. They must pay for this. Olisa, you must pay for this. Trust me.
Don't worry, when I finish making this hair.
The way you're making my hair, I know that you want me to look very beautiful.
Yes.
And I love it.
You see, now that I've finished my exams, I don't have anything that is keeping me, that's taking my time. So I'll have enough time to take care of you and make sure you look beautiful and happy as usual. Oh?
I don't know what I would have done without you, my brother. You're my sweet brother. God will bless you for me. Chukwu goziegi, oh?
Hey, my sweet sister. I don't also know what I would have done without you. There's like someone is knocking.
Who is that?
Yeah, who is that?
Anybody home? Come on, please.
Let me check who is knocking. Okay. Don't go anywhere. Okay. Come here, let me finish the hair.
Good day.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you.
Yes.
Please, I'm looking for Okoye's family.
This Okoye's family.
This Okoye's family.
Yeah, how can we help you?
Thank you. Are you Echezona Okoye?
Yes, I am.
Yeah. Shake me. Congratulations. We are proud of you. You see, Echezona, my name is Jude. I'm from the scholarship board of our local government. You see, you came top in your jam. Because of that, the state government have decided to award you scholarship to study any course of your choice from BSc up to PhD. Yes. What's the problem? Why are you crying? It's good news.
I know.
Don't worry, see.
God.
Listen, I know. Have this. Take a look at it. Take a look. Open. Just go ahead. Go ahead.
It's true. It's true. Hey! It's true!
Echezona, you made us proud. Congratulations.
Hey!
Echezona.
Scholarship.
Yes.
For me?
Yes. Congratulations, my brother.
Hey! See, scholarship. Oh God. God, I thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, God.
We thank God
See,
for everything.
please. You have to blow me to the back. So that's my... You will tell my sister. So that she will hear it.
Don't worry, let's go.
Let's go. Thank you.
It's alright, it's alright.
Hey! Sister! Let's go. Sister, we have a visitor. He said this, please. Tell my sister what you told me outside.
Madam, my name is Dikeh. I'm from the scholarship board of the local government. Okay? Yes. Your brother has won scholarship for himself. I'm coming. State government has awarded him scholarship to study any course of his choice at the university.
My brother! Scholarship!
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank God. Oh, Chuguna, thank you. I thank you.
It's alright. Echezona, congrats once again. Thank you. Please, there's no time to waste. You have to follow me to the office to sign some necessary.
Hey.
I will immediately.
God, I thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Hey, God, I thank you.
Thank you.
It's alright.
Hey,
we are proud
Ross,
of you.
thank you, eh?
We are
Thank
proud
you.
of you, okay?
Sister, sit down. Sit down here. Sit down.
Hey, scholarship.
Yes.
My brother. Scholarship. Scholarship, my brother.
It's okay.
Hey.
Sister. Hey, so I will study any course of my choice.
Of your any invite from BSc to PhD. Any.
Hey! Okay. Sister, I have to
be strong.
to the office. Should I take you inside?
Okay.
Okay, let me take you inside while. Yes, take you.
Okay.
Hey,
Akum.
Mama.
The most beautiful. Do you know that you're the most beautiful in this village? The prettiest.
Thank you, Mama.
Akwema, that reminds me of when I was young, about your age. I was just as beautiful as you are. Elegant. And that was when your father saw me. The minute he laid his eyes on me, he fell in love. And I can bet you that is what would happen when Fred sees you.
Hey. Mama, I am so excited.
Now hurry up, we need to be there.
Oh, Mama.
The first people to receive him.
Mama,
you understand?
Okay, Mama.
My name,
Yes, my jump. Yes, I'm among the people that came out tops in the JAMB exams. And guess what? I've been awarded the scholarship to study medicine in any university of Nigeria.
Wow! Congrats. You don't need to open it.
Okay.
What is that? Scholarship at Ego.
Yes.
Wow. Is your sister aware?
Yes. She was there in the house when the man came to the house and gave us the good news.
You know what? This calls for celebration.
Okay.
Let me do one or two. I'm closing this shop down. We are going to celebrate all day.
Okay.
In fact, I'm coming.
Okay, thank you.
Congrats, one name mother. Yeah. Jump.
Hey, he's the one calling. Excuse me. Hello, son. Yes. All of us are here already waiting. Where are you now? Have you entered our village? Hello? Network, I don't know. It's network. But he's around now. I believe that. That is good.
No! You don't need to tell me. I know who did this. I know. That useless herbalist. That he got. Okay.
Echezona, wait. I don't think it's the one. Wait.
You don't think it's the one? I am coming back with his head. So he had the guts to come when I'm not around. To come and rape you. Because he feels you are helpless. Eh? That he got of a herbalist. Wait for me. Okay.
Wait. I don't think it's the one. Wait.
You don't think it's the one? I am coming back with his head. So he had the guts to come when I'm not around. To come and rape you. Because he feels you are helpless. Eh? That he got of a herbalist. Wait for me.
Hello, Dad. Seriously, I'm so much confused right here. I think I still need directions.
Wait, you mean you don't know the way to your father's house again? Friendly. Is that so? Anyway, you don't need to be blamed. Eh? You really overstayed. You have stayed for so many years overseas. It's not your fault. Now listen. See, if you immediately come to the village square, you pass it a bit, you will see a very big mango tree. Yes, very big mango tree by your right. Yes, there is a road immediately opposite it. Just drive along that road, straight, go straight. Yes, are you getting me?
I can't find any mango tree, Dad.
Fred, are you there? Fred? Fred! Oh! I've lost him again. I've lost him.
Oh, you did? No, try again.
What kind of network is this?
that seriously I can't see any mango tree. Hello? Yeah, I'm still checking. Hello, 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 Dad. Hello? What's this? I think it's there. Hey! What's that?
What happened now? You know him? I know him. I don't know why.
Hello? Yeah. Frederick. Oh, I'm very sorry, my dear. I'm sorry. Yeah, it was our epileptic network that disrupted our discussion. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Yes. So, have you gotten the mango tree? Have you seen it? Yeah. Eh? I'm not hearing you. Speak out now. What? Now give me man. No! No! Frederick! No! Why?
Nani, is there a problem?
There is problem. Okay. There is problem. Hey! Why? Frederick said that he ran over a small boy. I don't know. Why would this kind of thing happen to us now? Why? Hey! He even said that he thinks that the boy is dead. Why now? Why should this kind of thing happen to me now? Why?
Eche, get up now. Eche, wake up. Eche.
Fred!
Hey, Eche.
Fred! What happened? Fred! Hey! Hey! Eche! Fred! Come and see! Come and see!
Hey! Eche, get up now. Eche. Eche. Hey, Eche, get up. Eche, why? Please don't do this. Please don't do this. Just wake up. Please don't do this.
Hey!
What have you done? Eche, Zora. Eche, Biko. Eche, please.
Life is unpredictable. Echezona was at my joint earlier today. We talked about his scholarship. We are supposed to be celebrating now, but he's dead and gone. Life is indeed unpredictable.
He was my only brother. He has always promised to study medicine and become a surgeon. Just when he got the scholarship, death took him away from me. Now, what will I do without him? God, what have I done to face this tragedy? What have I done?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, my love. It's okay. God knows best. I promise.
I will always be there for you. I promise.
Which is I was going after the man that he thinks raped me when he got killed.
That herbalist finally succeeded in raping you. I swear he will not go scot-free.
God. I should have just seen him. What have I done? This is bad.
Frederick, why are you tormenting yourself like this?
That's the point I'm talking about. I know that the herbalist was trying to rape me, but trust me, I don't think he's the one that did it. I took a necklace from the person that did it, just that I cannot find it.
Why are you defending that old wicked herbalist? He's the one that has been trying to rape you all this while, and we all know that.
I'm not defending him. I'm not. Lisa, promise me you will do nothing until we find the necklace, okay?
Eh? Why are you tormenting yourself, for goodness sake? Have you forgotten that this was an accident? And it was not your fault.
Dad.
Eh?
I know it was an accident.
Yes.
I feel so guilty over it. I felt I just killed that boy, that poor innocent boy. I felt I wasn't concentrating. I was on the phone. I killed him.
Look, Frederick, listen. Look, the deed has been done. And there is nothing we can do now to reverse it. So I'm appealing to you, please. Your father is appealing. Let's just forget it. Please.
Dad, this is bad.
It is. But there's nothing we can do about it. Okay? It's alright. Have the heart of your man, okay? It's okay.
Alright. I promise. I will do nothing until we find the necklace. I will do nothing until we find the necklace. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Afufu onye si na tanenuwa ewuchimo chai ifoni si na gabi kanenuwa ewo
Kefala kodo. Isi okuko for one chick oye. Ana akolo madu kodo ga oko. Kenu disi what did you see? I don't know where that boy was looking, that he didn't see that car coming. Eh?
Mama, I feel so frustrated. Eh? I heard he was running after the man that raped his sister. My family is just full of bad luck, Mama. Don't see how he ruined my day with his death. Oh, Mama Fred didn't even notice me. He didn't even look at me after all this effort I put in to dress up like this. He didn't even see me.
Wait, oh. Maybe that blind witch was trying to get back at us for what we did to her.
Mama, are you sure she has to go that far just to ruin her day?
You don't know witches. Witches are wicked people. They can go to any length to get what they want. A witch can even eat the baby inside her stomach, just to achieve her aim. One chick, look at where we are today. Hi!
Mama, it didn't even see me. It didn't even... Hi!
It's okay. It is okay. We are going to go back again. Return march. And this time around, you will look better. You get your high heel.
You have the guts. Only so love of my life. You have the guts. You love the love of my life. I love anybody. You love my love. I don't love anybody. You love. I don't love anybody.
Mazi, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Come on, Lisa. You're already here. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
I was even about sending for you. You're welcome.
Thank you. Well, we did not hear from you nor your son, so we decided to come and find out if everything is okay.
Oh, you did well. Everything is all right.
Thank God.
Yes.
And what about our Obodoyibo?
Oh.
Our Obodoyibo doctor?
Yeah, he's fine. He's fine.
Okay.
Just that he's not around now.
Hey.
Yeah, but he will soon be back. Oh.
In which case we will stay and wait for him.
That is good. So let's go and have a seat together. Come on, sit down. Hi, my daughter-in-law. Sit down. No, sit. Sit down. Let me get you something to suck. You don't have nothing. I hope you enjoyed the drink.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Very good. Look, my son came home from abroad with a lot of gifts. A lot of drinks assorted. Eh? Look, you are yet to enjoy wonderful things from here. Welcome. You are not saying anything. I hope the drink is fine.
No, it's nice.
Very good. Hi. Here he comes. Fred.
Yes, Dad.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Dad.
Meet Madam Agnes. And her beautiful daughter. The very girl I've been telling you about.
You're welcome.
Yes.
She looks so beautiful, as you said.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
And you too, Mama.
Oh, nice to meet you too.
Fred, What is this all about? This is the wife that I've been talking about. Your wife to be. No, Frederick. I expected you to be excited. And you needed to sit close to her.
Dad.
Listen. Do what is supposed to be done. Do it. Do the right thing at the right time. Sit close to her, then you know her the more.
I'm in the mood for this, please. I'll talk to you later, please. Later, Mama.
Fred!
Everything is okay.
No, everything is okay. Sit down. Drink. Take your drink now. Drink. Or do I get you the bitter one?
No, I'm okay. It's lily. I'm okay, thank you, sir.
It's alright.
My love, please, don't ever try to cook again. Okay? You can't cook in this condition. Besides, I'll always be here to prepare food for you, feed you, help you out. So, don't try to cook next time, okay?
I know, but how long will you continue to do this for me? I need to get used to being alone.
My love, you are not alone and you will never be alone. I will always be there for you, okay? In fact, once I'm done feeding you, I'll pack your things. You are moving in with me.
What?
Yes, we are going home together.
What about your mother and your sister? Huh?
Don't worry about my mother and my sister. I will take care of them.
Are you sure you're doing the right thing? I don't want trouble, oh. Biko.
My love, you are my priority number one. I will take care of that.
Okay.
It's okay, my love. Take water, no?
Oh, that is true love. Even if you have the fame, even if you have the wealth, even if you have all it takes to get the love.
Frederick! What was that all about? Eh? What do you mean by that you were not in a good mood?
Dad, what is it you don't understand?
I don't understand anything.
I said I'll talk to her later.
You will talk to her later? Eh, Frederick? Let me remind you, it was because of this girl that you came back from abroad. Do you hear me? So why are you all of a sudden cold about her? Why? Frederick, why? May I ask you, where were you this morning? Where were you this morning? Because I looked for you everywhere. I couldn't find you. Don't tell me you went again to see that blind girl.
Of course that I went to see her.
What?
Only for me to get there, I just realized that she's only one at home, with no one to help her. That, you know, she's just a poor blind girl. And I knocked down the only brother that was helping her. Now, with due respect, let me ask you, Dad, how will she survive now?
Oh. So it was all about her, Frederick. Eh? It was all about her. Now, my son, listen. I thought we had settled this issue. Yes. This boy has been buried. So what more are you looking for in that compound? Frederick, I have appealed to you as a father. Get married and leave this country.
Dad.
Go abroad.
Dad, I'm sorry. I'm more concerned about this girl now. This whole marriage issue just afterwards.
Frederick! Frederick! You don't mean it. You can't be serious. You can't pull my leg. You cannot pull my leg. You want me to be disgraced in this town? It's a lie. You can't do that. After making me, after letting all the people concerned about this money.
I'm afraid he wasn't happy when he saw me. Mama, maybe he doesn't like me. Or am I not beautiful enough for him?
Kiko, now Koyeli, his mood has nothing to do with you. Maybe someone upset him from where he was coming from. Besides, wasn't he the one that told you you're beautiful?
Mama, he said that, but Mama, are you sure? Are you sure? I don't want to lose him, Mama.
Hey, lose what? I can't lose. You're not losing him. The father is in support. You've been performing. You're a beautiful girl. Lose his You're a package of beauty. Hey, you think Fred doesn't have eyes? I saw the way he was looking at you. Hey, it's okay. What?
Mama, wait. Mama, you seeing what I'm saying? Okay. Mama, Olisa is bringing that girl to our house.
I see.
Mama, it's not possible.
Yeah. Olisa, where do you think you're going with that girl? That witch. Please take her out of this compound.
Mama, first and foremost, she's not a witch.
Can you imagine?
Her name is Chibubu, and she's here to stay with us.
Stay with Tonya? Stay with who? Nah, Kangwa Siagi. Ina Asia Sichilozo. It is not possible. Asichilozo Kinasi. You will take this woman out of my house, else you will kill me in this compound.
Please, take me out of here. I can't bear this anymore, please.
Relax. You're going nowhere.
Mama, she's here to stay, and that's fine now.
Yeah, relax, sir.
Mama, not possible. This girl cannot stay in this house.
Oh,
take her back, oh. Take her back, oh.
I respect.
Stop. Why you your back?
If you touch her again, I'll kill you.
My love, go.
Mama!
My love, go!
What are you?
Olisa! It's not possible! It's not possible! Olisa!
Mama!
Olisa!
I'm warning you!
Olisa, I'm getting...
Mama!
Olisa!
Okay.
Olisa!
Mama! Come on, leave it!
Olisa, naked you were kung fu!
Mama!
Hi!
Mama!
Olisa!
Mama!
After all she did to me!
Yeah? Which? Okay, enter now. Baby, enter. Baby, enter.
Mama, are you watching him take her inside?
Go inside and fight them now. When I'm here, I go inside and fight them. Nonsense. This one is herself. He don't even know this Abonyala.
Olisa had the guts to burn your clothes because of that blind girl. This is unbelievable.
The witch has bewitched my son. My first seed. The boy that I carried in my womb for 10 good months before I delivered him. He has turned against me.
Listen. Don't touch any palm wine here. Are you listening?
Wait, are you dragging my palm wine?
It's not your palm wine, it's our palm wine. It's family business.
I don't like this thing now.
Be careful.
Allow me to drink now.
Be careful.
No customer, they're not coming. So allow me to drink.
You want to drink? I warned you never to step your foot into this place again. What are you doing here?
Olisa, this is our father's property. So it belongs to both of us, not only you. So you cannot stop me and do my business here. Stop crying. It's okay. Don't worry. You know your son. You know Ibekwe. They must pay for this. Olisa, you must pay for this.
Ibekwe, the thunder that will fire you will come from Amadioha's shop. I know what your problem is. You're suffering from overfeeding, but no problem. If I see you anywhere around that shop again, I'm warning you before Mama now. If I see you anywhere around that shop again, I will behead you. If you are a man, cross this line. Do you know how much I'm losing? Get up!
Olisa, come out and face me like a man if you are one. You can't come to my house unexpectedly, fighting and accusing me of a crime I knew nothing about. Come out, let us settle it once and for all. Olisa, I will cut you into pieces. Nonsense. Olisa, come out. You can't come to my house unexpectedly, fighting and accusing me of a crime I never knew about. Come out. Animal. Scallywag. You're a bizaga. Come out. Nonsense.
So you have the guts to show your ugly face here after.
Which ugly face? Come out, Olisa! You're a scallywag, a bizaga, idiot, and nincompoop. Come out! I'll cut you into pieces. Rubbish.
You diabetic old fool again. So you have the guts to show your coconut face in my place after all you did. Ugly rapist.
It is you and your entire family that are rapists. I know I admire the girl, but I did not rape her. It is you, your grandfather, everybody in your compound that are raping. I will cut you into pieces.
My grandfather?
Yes!
My grandfather?
Only say you, your grandfather, and all of them are rapists.
So you're here to fight me with the cutlass?
Not only to fight you, I want to cut you into pieces. I'm here for you today. Nonsense.
Please, I'm coming, sir.
You don't know who I am. Are you running? Don't run! It's the best pepper soup. On a bugisi, cricket pepper soup, pound one. I got my come to ever tata, come to come and go on. Come in away, you Lisa. Hey,
get out of my house. Your sister, listen, just leave my son alone. You sit down your bag. I'm going to burn it. Mama, I'm not in you. Yeah.